people will go through. We sent our war message.
This message is transmitted at the request of federal civil authorities and an undisclosed group. A TV hijacking has just occurred which shows the viewers a face of a dangerous anomaly which attacks anyone who has seen its face. If you have watched the television in the past few minutes, you may be in mortal danger. Listen to the steps that will be provided on the screen closely. If you have seen the face of the anomaly in question, you should say goodbye to your loved ones, if any. Do not take much time to do this. Isolate yourself from everyone, preferably from urban areas, and settle in any secluded or forested area to minimize casualties. The anomaly will announce itself when it is approaching by screaming or wailing. If you have not seen the anomaly's face, you might still be vulnerable to accidental exposure to the anomaly's face. To prevent this, stock up any non-perishable food, water, and stay in an area of your house with no to minimal windows. A battery-powered radio can also be brought to tune in for further updates. Bring your pets with you. We do not need any more casualties at this time. If you cannot do anything listed above, blindfold yourself so you cannot see the anomaly's face. The anomaly's trajectory is still unknown at this time.
朋友是一个坚韧不拔的纪录片，在香港这座城市的设置。主演钱德勒、罗欧斯、福波斯伊。
This message is transmitted at the request of the federal government. Evacuate immediately. I repeat, evacuate immediately. The federal government has issued an evacuation immediate for the following states: Texas, Arkansas, Missouri, Oklahoma, and Illinois. The trajectory of the anomaly was confirmed. The anomaly will run through the states of Texas, Arkansas, Missouri, Oklahoma, and Illinois. Evacuate to your nearest bunker or shelter immediately. Hang a white cloth on your houses or mailbox to alert authorities that you have evacuated the area. A task force will be dispatched shortly to contain the anomaly. If you cannot evacuate, retreat to an area of your house, preferably a basement or an area with no to little windows. Do not look out the window. Do not look out the window. If any task forces arrive at your house, please cooperate with them. The trajectory of the anomaly will be displayed on screen now. If you are in the trajectory of the anomaly, evacuate immediately. This message will now This message is being transmitted at the request of civil authorities and an undisclosed organization. All clear. I repeat. All clear. The anomaly has been contained by the undisclosed organization's task force. It is now safe to come out of your hiding area. Steps are being taken to ensure that no one has seen the anomaly. You will be returned to your regularly scheduled programming soon.